Hello everyone, I'm Zilla and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to share my Chanel purchase with you all. But before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. And don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zilla.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things.
But before I start, I just want you to excuse my hair. I tied it up in a clip because it was raining and now it's left that little mark. It looks like I've used a crimping tool on it, which I haven't. This is one of the free gifts that I received, and it is, you know, when I saw this free gift, I was so excited. But this is the free gift. I'm going to try and rush because it's getting a bit dark. I'm recording in an area that's just right next to my kitchen. And this is what the free gift looks like. I'm just getting a proper look at it. I did see it in the store. And look at this brush, how adorable. It's so soft, it's lovely. And I think it's the, I can't pronounce this, the lift. Let's have a look at that quickly. And this is what it is. Like I said, I'm gonna rush because it's getting a bit dark in this area. And oh, this is adorable. Look at this little brush. I almost dropped it. It's got Chanel written on there at the bottom, and on the other side as well it's got Chanel written on. Now it's so hard to show you that, and it's got it down there. Oh, adorable. And this as well. Let's open it. Come on. All right, we know. How adorable is that? Oh my goodness, look at that. It is so adorable. Oh, I love this. I'll probably have to finish recording this video on another day because it's getting a bit dark in here. And like I said, I just want to show you all. So this is the free gift. Sorry, I didn't even show you the inside. I'm feeling a bit rushed unnecessarily. Oh dear. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. It looks like something you know the inside of an esky or something. That is great that it's got this kind of like a plastic, I don't even know what to call it, but it seems waterproof. So if your makeup spills in here, you could just wipe it. This is just adorable. Absolutely adorable. Chanel doesn't normally give such beautiful gifts here in Australia.
I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
I'm really excited for these sunglasses because I've been looking for a pair of Chanel sunglasses. This is actually my first pair of Chanel sunglasses, and I bought these sunglasses with the gift voucher my husband gave me. He gave me a gift voucher for my birthday, and he gave me a gift voucher for Valentine's Day, and I wasn't able to spend those gift vouchers. Actually, every time I went to the Chanel store, I could not find anything that I liked, so I didn't buy anything. So I used my gift vouchers, one gift voucher today, to buy my Chanel sunglasses. I am so excited. And let's just stop a minute and talk a bit about quiet luxury. I know that there's a lot of talk about quiet luxury, and I know there's a lot of YouTubers creating content about quiet luxury. And for me, I definitely do like logos, and being South African, you know, South Africans, I think we are like that. If you see a lot of the South African YouTubers, you'll see a lot of them drive Volvos and BMWs. We all about the logos, and that's just how we South Africans are. So I'm not sure I'm ever gonna totally embrace quiet luxury, but I definitely believe that these sunglasses can pass as quiet luxury. So that's just my thoughts, and I might be wrong. I love this case. It's just lovely. I don't know. Wow, it is just beautiful. It's got the Chanel. It's so hard to see, but yeah, the inside doesn't look very good, hey? And there you have it. My sunglasses, like I was saying, I feel that these sunglasses are actually quiet luxury. For me, these sunglasses are giving old money vibes. They're giving Audrey Hepburn vibes, and I'm just absolutely loving these sunglasses. I was looking for a white pair, but they don't seem to have white sunglasses at Chanel. Every time I've looked for a pair of sunglasses at Chanel, I've not been able to find a white pair, so I decided to settle for this sort of brown pair. It's a kind of a brown shade, and it's got Chanel written there. Oh my God. Everything is so reflective, and I don't want you to be seeing things in my sunglasses. And it's got the logo there. I'm trying to find the best spot. Yeah, as you can see, it's got the logo there, the double C's, and it's got it on both sides. It's got it there as well. I think if you're embracing quiet luxury, it would be okay to buy a pair of sunglasses like this, because the logo on there is black, so it blends in with the color of the sunglasses. It's not glaring and obvious and in your face, and for that reason I think that it can pass as quiet luxury, although I would have preferred a pair that is more in your face. I would have liked a logo that's bigger and in your face, because I believe, like, if I paid a lot of money for it, I expect to see the logo. Well, that's just me. I'm not really into the whole quiet luxury thing, but yeah, like I was saying, these sunglasses are giving old money, Audrey Hepburn vibes and rich auntie vibes. I'm loving these sunglasses. I'm trying to look that way because everything is just reflecting in the glasses. I'm still looking for a white pair of designer sunglasses, and I really wanted a white pair of Chanel sunglasses, but I can't find a pair that fits me really nicely, so this is going to have to do for now. This is a bit of a brown, and my other pair is a Tiffany pair, and I've got that pair for about 3 years now. Nevertheless, talking about the quiet luxury, I feel that, you know, even though I love logos, and like you can see, I'm wearing my Chanel brooch today, I do love logos, and I'm also feeling a little bit uncomfortable now wearing logos, because it feels, you know, it just feels strange to be wearing logos when everybody's starting to embrace this whole quiet luxury. But nevertheless, I'm going to wear my designer stuff with the logos because I bought it, and I'm going to wear it. I'm not going to throw it away or leave it in the cupboard for the cupboard to wear it. I'm definitely going to be wearing my logo stuff, and if people don't like it, too bad, so sad. But yeah, like I was saying, I am definitely feeling a little bit uncomfortable, and it depends who you're around as well. Like, I think being around South African people, I'll be very comfortable and feel at home wearing all my logos and designer stuff. And I do understand that people, you know, are struggling, and a lot of people don't have money, you know, to buy all these luxuries. But then again, you know, it's the sort of people are buying expensive designer stuff, and they're saying, if you know, you know. And they're still spending a lot of money on designer items, but they don't want stuff with big logos that are in your face. So for me, it's the same thing. You know, what's the point? I am not going to buy something that's expensive that you know if you know, and it has no logos on it. I definitely am not going to do that. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you what these glasses look like, and I'll show you my outfit.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know?
Well, we've come to the end of another video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zilla.